I'm Moritz Weimann. I'm one of the co-founders of Mercanis, responsible for the entire operational aspect of the company, including finance, admin, and HR. We offer an AI-driven procurement suite for strategic procurement teams for medium-sized companies up to large enterprises. With Moss, one of the reasons why we implemented it so early was we wanted to actually ingrain it into the processes. At our previous company, we had the big issue that we introduced such a system too late, and that was pure paper chaos. Super tedious, especially end of the month, a lot of stress, and we just decided we don't want that again. It's a lot easier if you're few people than when you're a lot of people. Because at the end of the day, you need to ingrain it into the traditional processes within your company, and it needs to be lived. And the sooner you start that, the easier it becomes also down the road. So now it's not even a topic at the company, and we're now 50 people. How do I get my stuff approved? How do I get a credit card? How do I get my virtual payment card? And so forth. People know exactly what to do. And they know how to handle it. It's very clear at what point and how much you can spend. Our main idea was to create enough autonomy within the different departments to spend, but spend accordingly and spend responsibly. We had the problem that we had 2 bank accounts, or 3, from traditional players up to the new banks, and we wanted to have real-life cash flow and bank account statements within one tool, so that at the end of the month we could always see, okay, that was a travel-heavy month, oh, we kind of went up in the software spend, let's check out what everybody bought there, so maybe we can consolidate some tools. And essentially that was, for a strategic standpoint view, where the budget insights was brilliant. If Moss disappeared tomorrow or today, it's in a scenario we don't like. It kind of would throw our entire processes apart and would put us into big trouble. Because essentially the entire financial aspect within the company, from controlling down to payments, is run in Moss.